Microsoft Winget, a better way to manage your apps. I'm Huey Poplock. We're going to explore a hidden gem in Windows, a tool called Winget. It's short for Windows Package Manager. But don't worry about the technical name. By the end of this session, you'll see how this simple feature helps install and update programs safely. No complicated steps, no risk of downloading the wrong thing. Winget is already built into Windows 10 and Windows 11. It helps you find, install, and update your favorite apps automatically. Think of it like a personal assistant that shops for software at Microsoft's official store and installs it for you. Everything comes from trusted sources, making it safer than downloading from random websites. For many of us, downloading software can feel risky or confusing. There are ads, fake download buttons, and too many clicks. Winget removes that. You just tell it what you want and it does the work for you, safely and quietly in the background. It's also very handy for keeping all your apps updated with one simple command. To use Winget, we open either Windows Terminal or Command Prompt. Both are already installed. You don't need to be a programmer. It's just like giving your computer short, clear directions using your keyboard instead of a mouse. Here are 3 easy commands to remember. Winget search zoom.zoom.exe looks up a program that you want. Winget install zoom.zoom.exe installs it automatically. Winget upgrade --all updates everything in one go. If you never remember the rest, the last one alone can save time and frustration. When Winget runs, it connects to Microsoft's official catalog of software. That means you never have to worry about unsafe downloads or trick installers adding unwanted toolbars. It's as secure as installing apps from the Microsoft Store. If you're ever wondering what's already installed, type Winget list. You'll get a tidy, organized list of all your programs by name and version. This helps you keep track of updates without opening lots of menus. Obviously, this is a rather long list. So here's just part of that list so you can see what it says and what it does. Say you need a program to open PDFs. Normally, you would Google Adobe Reader, click through ads, and hope you don't grab a bad version. With Winget, you type one line. Winget install adobe.acrobat.reader. Press enter and it safely installs the right program for you. You'll notice in my example, it's not quite that text, but it's close to it. I want to install Adobe Acrobat Reader, but I'm not quite sure how to phrase that. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in Winget search, and then Acrobat, and press enter. And it'll list several different versions, and the one we want is the Acrobat Reader 64-bit. So it's going to be with capital letters, Adobe Acrobat Reader .64-bit. So what we're going to type then is Winget install Adobe.Acrobat Reader. Make sure we've got that exactly the same. Adobe.Acrobat.Reader.64-bit. We're going to install it by pressing enter. It's actually downloading it. It's extracting the files. And it's installed. We see that Adobe Acrobat is now installed. Let's work with a list that's manageable on the screen. What we'll type in is the command to get the list of files needing upgrading. This will list all of the apps that are on this computer that Microsoft recognizes, which version it is, and also the latest version available. We can tell it to upgrade directly from here. If we want to upgrade one of the apps that we have installed, we type in Winget upgrade to see the list. We can do Winget upgrade and then all, and it'll do all of them. We're not going to do that right now. Let's just do Amazon.Kindle. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in Winget upgrade space. We'll make sure that that's exactly the way it is right here. And then we're going to tell it to go ahead, press enter. Downloading it. Doing the install. And it's installed. And it's updated the Kindle to the latest version 2.80. Winget is safe, but it's always smart to look before you install. If you ever make a mistake, uninstalling is simple with the command winget uninstall app name. And if your Windows is up to date, Winget will stay secure automatically. Winget doesn't have every app in the world yet, but it covers most of the popular ones: Zoom, Paint.net, VLC, and many others. It does require the internet, and if you share a PC, installing as your own user is best. Let's recap. Winget comes already built into Windows. It keeps your apps secure, up to date, and saves time. No more endless download pages or remembering which programs to update. Microsoft Winget, a better way to manage your apps. I'm Huey Poplock.